Everyone calls me Miss Brown. I'm making onion rings, but I'm not frying the onion rings. I'm gonna bake them. All right, so I've just sliced a sweet onion. So what I wanna do here is I'm gonna start a dredging station. I have a cup of low-fat buttermilk, 1/4 cup of cornstarch. I've added cornstarch to the buttermilk because it's gonna help get those onion rings nice and crunchy. So that's done. I have a 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour in here. I'm gonna add about 3/4 cup of yellow cornmeal. That's gonna help with that color too, okay? Some Parmesan cheese. It's gonna give it that nutty, buttery flavor. And my house seasoning. Some salt, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, everything in my spice rack. Okay. Mix that up. Break up my onion slices here. Just gonna dip it in the buttermilk cornstarch mixture. Take the onion ring over here, and I don't wanna overcrowd this tray right here because I wanna make sure that the onion slices get coated evenly. Just flip them around. This is fun, and if you have kids at home, get them involved with this. This is really fun. It gets a little messy, but hey, kids love mess. Now, who cleans it up? You guys have to decide that. Let me spray my baking sheet with a little olive oil. That looks like it's enough for 2 people, even though I think Katie can eat that by herself. Let me wash my hands and get those bad boys in the oven. I'm gonna spray it one more time with olive oil because I am oven frying the onion rings. Make sure they're covered. I have my oven preheated to 425. I'm gonna get it nice and crispy on one side, flip it. I'm gonna bake it for an additional 10 minutes. So it's gonna bake for about 25 minutes altogether. And when I pull this tray out of the oven, I promise you, you can't tell that I didn't deep fry these babies. The onion rings are done, and Katie's here.
I'm gonna dig into these onion rings. I'm gonna get those
Yeah,
sauce
dig into
here.
it, dig into it. Ooh, I heard the crunch.
They're very crispy.